Hi there! Do you know what subject pronouns are in English? If not, watch until the end to find out. In today's lesson, we're going to tackle the topic of subject pronouns. What are the subject pronouns? Subject pronouns are as follows: I, you, he or she, it, we, you, and they. But Andrei, how do we go about using them? Well, we use them in order to specify the subject which realizes an action. For example, I phone someone, or I am, I have, you know? So, let's actually go on that path and conjugate the two most favored verbs in English, to be and to have. To be, I am, you are, he or she or it is, we are, you are, they are. Okay? Next, we have the verb to have. I have, you have, he or she, it has, we have, you have, they have. The subject pronouns always are used just as that, just as a subject. Well, the answer is most of the times. But there are certain topics where we can make use of them differently, especially when we are talking about it and they. Now we're going to start off with they. They are usually used also in order to talk about an organization or an institution's actions or the government's actions. So basically, if the government decides to pass by a certain law, then we're going to refer to them. We're going to refer to the government as they. So they passed a law like this, or they are prohibiting us from smoking inside here, right? They are the institution or the government, or in any case, an organization. It, on the other hand, can be used in a variety of contexts. For example, I could say, "Hello, it's Andrei," whenever I am addressing you, or whenever I am addressing a certain someone, especially over the phone. For example, if I were asked, "Hi, who is it?" Basically, I'm asking, the other person is asking me to provide information about myself. So I would answer it, "Hi, it's Andrei." Okay? We can also change it up a little. We can say, "It's me, it's Andrei." So basically, when I'm saying something like that, "It's me, it's Andrei," I'm basically trying to make myself be recognized. And also, we can use them to address certain objects. For example, "Did you see my teddy bear?" "Yes, I see it." So basically, I'm referring to the teddy bear, which is an inanimate object, not a person. And also, the last usage of it is when we are pointing out a celebrity figure or someone that we've seen for the first time. "Look, it's the Jonas Brothers." Okay? That would be it for today's lesson. I hope that you have understood the subject pronouns, and I have a challenge for you to write a question down in the comments answering, "What do you do for work?" I can't wait to hear your answers. For now, bye bye.